Hi there, welcome. Today you will learn how to create your very own Bitmoji 3D moving classroom banner on Google Classroom. It's super cool, the kids love it, I love it, and it makes it so interactive and fun. So let's begin. I'm going to go to the Bitmoji app and I'm going to type in coffee, chilling with my coffee. I don't see the running one, but that's cool. I know I can have it. I have it saved in my Google Drive, and it's on my phone, which I emailed to myself. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to copy this copy. This looks cool. I'm going to right-click, copy image, and go to the Google Slides and copy holding pound V to copy and paste it into the Google Slides. And she is a little bit bigger dimension than these ones, as you see. These ones are, that's 2.8, but it's still close to the 1.7. The reason it's 2.08 is because of the air hugs letters, but this one's a little bit bigger. So we're going to bring her down to 1.75 so that it looks the same, and lock the aspect ratio so that it doesn't get distorted. And now she's about the same size now. You see that? Moving her over. And if you want to make her do another cartwheel flip, you can copy this Bitmoji and click paste and just have her move over a little bit if you want to create more of a closer inch. But this is how I did it. I was just always making sure they were super close to each other like that, so it doesn't look like they're far apart, but it looks like a 3D effect when the final GIF is made. So once you're done with that, you're going to duplicate the slides by right-clicking the slide in the corner, then click the duplicate slide. There's another option of clicking the slide, clicking the file in Google Slides and scrolling down to, clicking the file in Google Slides, going to edit and then click duplicate. But as you see, this says Command D. So if you don't want to do that, you can quickly click Command D, holding down Command D, holding down Command D. Now, it's important that you count how many Bitmojis you have, and that's the number of slides you will create. So right now on my first slide, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Bitmojis. So I'm going to create 10 slides by holding down Command D, duplicating each slide until I have 10 slides. So now I'm going to go to my first slide, it's good to go, and I'm going to delete all of these Bitmojis. I don't need them anymore. I just need the first slide to have the Bitmoji. So I'm clicking them, I'm clicking my delete button on my keyboard. Then I go here. This is my second slide now. I'm deleting all the Bitmojis that I don't need on this slide. Just click delete on your keyboard. And this is a second slide, so I need this Bitmoji, but I don't need this one, right? I don't need her. So I'm just going to move over this a little bit and then delete. And then I'm going to bring this blue slide back over here so that it's the same format dimensions. You can even check by going to size, rotation, and it wasn't 1.7. Let's put 5. So now it changed 1.75. Now I take this lock aspect ratio out because I want them to be 1.75. And there you go. Now we're good. We have our first 2 slides ready to go. Now all you have to do is delete all the Bitmojis that you don't need. This is the third slide. So we don't need 2, we don't need 1, we need 3. And you can see it's a diagonal Bitmoji in the sidebar over here. Do you see that, how it's going in diagonal? So now we're moving on to the fourth slide, and now we don't need the first Bitmoji or the second or the third. Oops, this is the third. We just need the fourth. Now this is a little bit tedious, but as I'm doing this, I play some music for you all. But I assure you that it's super fast once you get the hang of it. And I'll fast forward this a little bit so we can get on to creating a GIF. And there you go. You are finally done. Now that you have all your slides, go ahead and recheck to make sure that they're a little 1 second apart, that you see a diagonal, just like this diagonal, in your Google Slides. And then once you're good with how it looks, you go to Add-ons. You'll click the tab Add-ons, and you'll click Creator Studio. If you don't have Creator Studio, you can download it on as an add-on by clicking Get Add-ons. And Creator Studio is free. I'm using a free trial. I'm not sure how much it will cost after that, but hopefully it's not a lot. But all you have to do is find the Creator Studio, and you see it's already installed for me, so you would just install it yourself to save the slide as GIFs and video files. So once you have that Creator Studio downloaded and added on as in your Google Slide, you will go ahead and click Creator Studio, click Open. And as it works, takes about a few seconds, and there you go. It's all ready to go. You're going to change the output width to 1600, just to make it adjusted to match the pixel length for Google Slides, Google Classroom banner. Then you're going to change the interval to 0.5. It's a half of a second because we want the speed between each slide to be very, very fast and move quickly. We don't want it to be 1 second, we want it to be half a second, so 0.5. Then once you're good with that, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click Animated GIF. It's already an option. If you want to also have a video file, like how I have a video file here, see it says MP4, you can do that. Or it's going to come out as a GIF like this. This is the GIF that I inserted into Google Classroom. Now you need to make it as a GIF to make it into Google Classroom. So for the Google Classroom banner, you're going to click Animated GIF. Then you're going to click Go, the black button that says Go. Once you click Go, it will save on your Google Drive in a folder called Creator Studio. Okay, so as it loads, you're going to go, it says render completed. That means it's completed and it is in your Creator Studio. You're going to go to your Google Drive. I have my Google Drive open here. So I'm going to go to my drive, and you scroll down, you should see an option that says Creator Studio. And I click Creator Studio, and now I see that I had named this 3D moving Bitmoji, right? So that's the 3D moving Bitmoji. I double click and it's in my Google Slides. There you go. Super cool, right? All right, so now you're going to download the GIF to your computer. So clicking the arrow pointing down that says download, click it. It will be ready in a few seconds, and there it is. You'll click the 3D moving banner and you see how it pops up. I'll delete mine, but you see how it has the different slides? That's how the GIF looks, right? That's how it looks. So make sure that you go to your Google Classroom next. Once you go to Google Classroom, you'll click Upload Photo. Then you will select a photo from your computer. You can go to your Recents and try to find the 3D. Sometimes my Recents pops up, sometimes it doesn't. I do have a lot of stuff. So it has the 3D moving Bitmoji Google banner. You click Open. And then there is your 3D Bitmoji. You're going to need to change this around to drag it so it's bigger. And you see how I make that a little bit bigger. And it's all the way the correct side. And that's how it looks as your Bitmoji. Now, I'm going to click Cancel and show you another way of how to drag it into your Bitmoji. If you go to your Finder, your folder, you see the 3D Bitmojis right there as well. You're going to drag it into, and it uploads the same way. Okay? All you have to do is drag around these white boxes to fit it all the way, and you're good to go. Then you click Select Class Theme, and voila, you have your 3D moving Bitmoji Google Classroom banner. I hope you found this tutorial super helpful. Hope you have fun creating your Bitmoji Classroom banner, and have a wonderful day, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please be sure to ask in the comment box. Thank you, and bye-bye.